Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will discuss how to write a Python program to detect common objects in a given image. It's a simple machine learning project. Before you detect any objects in a given image, we need some set of libraries. So first we will try to install those particular libraries. CVlib and OpenCV are the two libraries required. We need a specific version of OpenCV, that is 3.4.13.47. So first we will try to install these two libraries. Because I'm using Google Colab, the command starts with exclamation mark. To install CVlib, we need a command called pip install CVlib. So first we will try to install this particular CVlib into our machine. Because I have already installed, it says that the requirement already satisfied, but you need to install it explicitly. And if you want to install this, I will run this particular command, that is pip install opencv minus contrib minus python equals to 3.4.13.47 force reinstall or install. So once I run this particular command, again this specific version of OpenCV will be installed into our machine. Once it is installed, we will cross check whether the required version of OpenCV is installed or not. So I will run this particular cell here, that is cv2 __ version. We are expecting 3.4.13. Yes, it is installed successfully. Now as I said earlier, I am using Google Colab, so I will upload my image into the Google Colab here. To do that particular thing, first we need to use import files. That's a files function from google.colab, and then using files.upload, I will be able to upload my image. So I will click on this particular choose files. And then I will select my image here. So once I select my image, it will take some time to load that image into Google Colab. Once it is loaded into Google Colab, you can use that particular image in your program. Now you can see here saving image.jpeg to image.jpeg. So I just do one thing, I will change this particular thing to image.jpeg here. Now we will start with our main part of the program. These are the set of libraries are required. So first we will import all these particular libraries like cv2, that is nothing but OpenCV. NumPy is required, matplotlib is required, cvlib is required, and then within cvlib we need this one drawbox, and one more is from NumPy we are interested in poly function. Now using imread function of cv2, we will read the image. Once we read that image, we will try to display that particular image here. So plt.imshow, that image will be displayed here. And then we use a function that is called detect _ common _ objects of OpenCV to detect the common objects. So it will return you three things. One is the box around that particular object, label for that particular object, and the count. So these are the three things will be returned by this particular function. Next, what we do is we use draw _ bb box on the top of this particular image, so that we will draw that box, label, and then the count will be assigned to that particular object here. And then we will display the output of this particular draw box with the help of imshow function here. Finally, I am trying to display how many number of objects were detected. In my image I have cars and trucks, so I will display the number of cars in the image with the help of label.count car, and number of trucks in the image with the help of label.count truck in this case. So I will run this particular program so that I will be able to show you what is the output or how the output will look like. This is my original image. It contains the common objects like car and truck here, and this is the output of that particular image. The cars are detected successfully, and around this particular car you can see here the boxes were drawn, as well as the car label is written also. With the same note, around the trucks again the squares were drawn or the boxes were drawn, and then the truck label is assigned here. You can see here there were 3 trucks are there and multiple number of cars are there. So I want to know how many are there. So the number of cars in this image are 11. So totally there are 11 cars are there, and the number of trucks in this image are 3 here. So the 3 trucks are detected in this case. So this is how what we can do is we can use Python with OpenCV and CVlib library, so that we can detect the common objects, as well as we can display how many number of objects were detected over here. The one thing you need to remember is 2 specific versions of libraries are required. You can go ahead with any version, that is CVlib. There is no specific requirement like 1.2 version or anything. But when it comes to OpenCV, you have to install 3.4.13.47. If you don't use this particular library, you will not be able to execute this particular program successfully. The link for the source code is given in the description below. If you like this particular video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.